Hi everyone, this is Hema Manu Anand and this is the first video in the series of 8 videos of NLP for 8 days. In simple terms, N stands for neuro. Neuro is nothing but the nervous system, neural pathways. Say for example, my eyes, my ears, my sensation, my feelings, my smell, my taste, all these are working. How do I know that? Because when you are looking at me right now, you see something here. And the reason you're able to see something is the moment I come in front of you, some signal is going inside your head, and that signal is interpreting it in some way and then telling you there's a person there. So if you can see me, then that means your nervous neural pathways are working from our eyes, from our ears, from our skin or sensation, feelings also, from our nose, from our taste buds. Through all these 5 senses, neural pathways are created that will take signals to your brain. That's neuro. Linguistic. Linguistics means language. All these nerves are bringing the information to the brain. Now, brain is going to make a meaning out of it. The meaning that you will make out of watching me is, this is Hema. That's the language you use to express what you are seeing. This is a board. This is hair. These are eyes. All these, the meaning that we make and we express it is using language. Neuro-linguistics, language. Now, number 3, programming. So, sometimes we see something or we hear about something, we think of something and we feel happy. Sometimes we feel miserable. Sometimes we feel excited. Sometimes we feel sorrow. That is called programming. The moment certain nerves, certain messages come into your brain, you make a language out of it that, oh my God, I like it, I don't like it. And because of that, you express some experience in the form of a feeling. And that is feeling expressed or experience expressed. Our experience is expressed. This is neuro-linguistic programming. You have to divide them. And some people get angry every time somebody yells at them. Some people start crying every time somebody yells at them. Some people fight back every time somebody yells at them. Now, in all these 3 cases, somebody yelling at you is the stimulus. So from your eyes, from your ears, from your feelings, you take that message inside and you create a meaning. That's the language. You create a meaning. Somebody is yelling at me. Why did they yell at me? How dare they yell at me? Some meaning that you're making, and out of this, you are programmed to respond in certain way. You either sit and cry, you feel miserable, or you yell back at them. Now, in NLP, what we learn is this programming, okay? When somebody yells at you, if you always respond back with tears, if you always respond back with fear, if you always respond back with anger, you might end up believing that is who I am. I'm an angry person. I'm a shy person. I'm a sensitive person. You might end up believing that's the only way you can be. But in NLP, you can change that. You can choose to be an angry person one day, a miserable person another day, a happy person another day, a completely ignorant person. You can choose it for the same stimulus. Somebody is yelling at you, you take it in, but then your response could be changed. That programming could be changed. And how do we change that programming? Through language. The language that we use inside our head. And based on that, the language that comes out. And that is what we're going to work on during this 8 days.